Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4, morning shift and day shift. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 4. Let's see our today's topic. It is Unit 7 from your buzzword book, Unit 7, reading question answer CW. I am telling again, our today's topic is Unit 7 from your buzzword book, page number 77, reading question answer. And this is our lecture number 2 and homework number 2 also on our half note. It is annual examination 2020. Lecture number 2, homework number 2. Dear students, buzzword book. I hope that all of you have opened your buzzword book, page number, it is 77. New success with buzzword communicative English schools, okay? And it is page number 77, interesting lesson. Title is The Footprint. I am showing you again. It is The Footprint. Okay. Title is The Footprint, okay? Then to get the passage, we will go to page number 78. That means next page. 77 then 78. Look. At the age of 18, look. Robinson Crusoe set out on a voyage. Okay, look at the meaning of the voyage. Voyage means journey by sea. Voyages means journey by sea. He traveled to many countries. His ship was wrecked or destroyed during one such voyage, and he was thrown on an empty island. He lived on this island for about 28 years. He managed to build a house for himself, grow up crops, and also raised animals. His life on the island was full of adventure. 11 years had gone by. My dog was quite old now, and the cats had produced quite a large family. The parrot had learned to speak. I also had a herd of goats to take care of, though I had never milked a cow and certainly not a goat. I managed to learn. After much trial and error, I learned how to make butter and cheese. I had a lot of fruits in my garden. I was also growing enough grain and making my own bread. Next, I live like a king in my castles with my family, but I still long for human friends. But I still long for human friends, since he did not have any human friends. Sometimes I dreamed that I had gone back to London and was walking down the streets in my goat skin clothes. What a funny sight I would be. I looked like a wild man with a long beard. On my head was a big cap made of goat skin. It was very tall and without shape. I wore short, strange things on my feet, which I called buskins. I wore a broad belt around my waist, so in the picture you will see it, and had another hanging over my shoulder. Above my head, I carried my great, next page, page number 79, clumsy, ugly umbrella, and my skin had been burned brown by the sun. Whenever the weather was fine, I went over to the other side of the island to look at my canoe. Canoe is a small pointed boat. Canoe. I had built a canoe. I wanted to leave the island and go to the land I had seen at a distance. I thought there were human beings on the island. One morning, as I was going to the canoe, a strange thing happened. I had taken a few steps when I stopped dead. There in front of me was a human footprint. So look in the picture, you can see it, or in your book, page number 79, you will see, or you can see the picture properly. Heel, toes, every part of the foot, and much larger than mine. I stood like one who has seen a ghost. I looked around and listened. I went to the top of a little hill to look further. Then I walked up and down the shore. I saw no other prints. I came back to look once more at what I had seen. Was I dreaming? I looked at the footprint closely again. Yes, there in the sand was the print of a man's foot. I was not dreaming. How did it come to be there? Who was he? How did he get there? I was so frightened that I did not go to the canoe. I turned and went back to my castle as fast as I could. As I walked, I kept looking behind me because I imagined that every bush and tree there was a man. I shut myself up as quietly as I could and began to get ready to protect myself from the strange man. Now we will go to next page to have the last portion of this passage, page number 81. That night I could not sleep. I lay in my hammock and thought this stranger had come perhaps from the land that I had seen far across the sea. Perhaps he had come to the island alone. Perhaps he had come with many others of his kind. But where he was now, I was so afraid that I did not step out of my castle for 3 days and nights till there was no food left. Then I had to go out in search of food. I crept softly down my fields. Every sound made me start and look around. I lived for days like someone who was afraid of his own shadow. So this is an interesting lesson, and we have finished the reading session. Now we will have question answer. So dear students, in the question answer you will see there are 4 questions, but we will learn only 3. Okay, look at the 2 number. Who were the part of the Croesus family on the island? Answer: Croesus family on the island included his dog, the cat, the parrot, and a herd of goats. Question number 3. Okay, next. So look what questions we have selected. We selected question number 2, then 3, okay, then 4. Okay, now 3 number. What did Croesus dreamed about? Answer: Croesus dreamed that he had gone back to London and was walking down the streets in his goatskin clothes. 4th number. Where was Croesus going when he saw the footprint? Answer: Croesus was going to the canoe, small boat I have told you, when he saw the footprint. So we have finished our question answer. Only 3, but in our book there are 4. Okay, we will practice and learn only 3. Dear students, our last segment is homework. So look, this is our second number homework, and your homework is, after reading the passage footprint, you will prepare 5 fill in the blanks with answer and 5 true false with answer. I am telling again, your homework is you will prepare 5 fill in the blanks and 5 true false from your buzzword from unit 7 of buzzword book. Very easy, not so difficult. So with this we have finished our lesson, and this will be your vacation lesson also. You will get this on our Facebook page. Please keep practicing unit 7, the footprint, and do your homework, and you will also learn your question answer. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.